Hi, I'm Kevin from Quantum Controls. We've created a brand new software which is unique to Quantum Controls, which is an asset management system which all of our service contract customers have access to, and I'm going to tell you about that today. Access to the CRM system is really easy. It can be done anywhere in the world. You can use a tablet, a computer, even a smartphone. All you do is go to our website, quantum-controls.co.uk, and use the portal to log in. Once you've accessed the CRM system, it's really easy to find the individual asset that you're looking for. You can search by your serial number, or you can search by your own plant asset number. Either way, that will pull up the full technical specification of the actual unit you're looking at, plus all of the history that pertains to that product. So one of the benefits of the CRM system is you can see the status of any job that you've got going on at any time, with a digital image of the unit itself, if it's scheduled, if it has started, and of course if it's completed. The whole system totally geared to making your life much easier on a day-to-day basis. All the documents that are held in this CRM system, if you haven't got time to access them, then we can automate an email system which will come straight out to you into your inbox. We're going to pass you over to one of our customers and he'll tell you what it's really like to use and the benefits it's brought to him.
Here at SIE Industrial, we have over 100 machines that have variable speed drives fitted. Prior to the start of the service contract with Quantum, we experienced many technical difficulties with the range of equipment that we have our drives on. This proved very costly for our customer, our reputation, and we had to do something about it. Having a drive service contract with Quantum ensures reliability and software management that they offer as part of the contract. This has reduced our year-on-year spending by about 86%, mainly due to the drive failure rate being almost zero now. This unique service has saved our staff weeks of administrative work, and it's been a huge asset towards the company. I would recommend this to anyone that uses variable speed drives, whether part of a hire fleet, part of a manufacturing site, anything really.
So if you feel this CRM system will bring benefits to you personally, benefits to your company, and benefits how you operate on a day-to-day basis, all you've got to do is drop us an email, assets@quantum-controls.co.uk, and we'll get back in touch with you and we'll arrange a face-to-face presentation with the Protein software.